We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can take a screenshot on this ieGeek ZS-GQ2 security camera. So first you will need to open the ieGeek Cam app, then find your camera, open it or open its view, and here among live options or options in the live section, since you also have history and cloud. So make sure that you are in the live section. So here, find the screenshot option, tap on it, and the screenshot gets taken like that. Now you will be able to find it in your albums. Well, or maybe it is getting saved directly to your gallery or to an SD card, or actually now the screenshot has been taken successfully because the previous time something went wrong apparently, but what can I do? And here is the screenshot from our surveillance. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.